Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by filling a basin with warm water and dish soap, then submerge the bottle for 15 to 30 minutes to soften the glue. Once the paper starts to lift, use a razor blade held almost flat to gently pry up a corner without scratching the glass. Make sure to work slowly and keep the bottle wet. If the label resists, continue soaking. Have rubbing alcohol and vegetable oil at hand, so you can move to adhesive removal immediately after lifting the label. Once the label is off, target the sticky residue with a solvent like rubbing alcohol or acetone applied to a cloth. This breaks the adhesive bonds. If you prefer a gentler approach, rub vegetable oil into the area and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the oil penetrates and lifts the glue. Then use a plastic scraper or an old toothbrush to scrub in circular motions. If residue persists, switch to hot white vinegar to dissolve remaining tackiness and rinse thoroughly. Finish by washing the bottle in hot soapy water, scrubbing any solvent traces, then rinse and dry to restore clarity. If the glass looks hazy, polish with a glass cleaner or a paste of baking soda and water, rubbing gently until clear. Make sure to ventilate when using acetone or commercial removers. If sticky residue comes back, repeat the solvent soak or try a commercial adhesive remover, testing a small spot first. Troubleshooting tip: if the label ink runs, stop and switch to oil-based removal to protect the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.